Hey everybody, so I am on my way to London and there is a wheel demo at e-scooter clinic in London and should have the Inmotion P6, the LynxS S and I believe the Aeon, NOSFET Aeon. So I'm going to take you along for the journey and we're going to check out the wheels, meet a bunch of people and some more riders and see what the wheels are like. So should be a fun day. So, Jez, we've been riding Inmotion P6 and a LynxS S. First impressions of the Inmotion P6?
Wonderful. I mean, I wasn't able to push it as far as acceleration is concerned.
You had low battery, right?
Yeah, low battery, yeah. But as far as the feel of the wheels concerned, it didn't feel too heavy. It felt nice and maneuverable, and the suspension felt plush. So I was actually quite impressed by it. In fact, I think I have to have one.
I must admit, I came down here with the expectation that I've seen the videos, it looks a monster. It is that big in real life.
Yeah.
It looks like a chaise longue on a wheel.
Oh yeah.
It's like you could lay on it, right? It's that big.
It's not for the lightweights.
But when you get going, it's a bit like the Sherman. The weight moves away. Like you don't feel the weight when you're riding.
No.
And considering it's on a street wheel, which I don't ride.
Yep.
I love that.
Yeah.
It felt smooth, gorgeous. You could feel that it had acceleration there.
Yes.
Had the battery been there.
Yes.
Really good. It felt, I don't know about you, it felt solid.
Yeah.
It felt really sort of absolutely like, on the money.
Yeah. It felt good that it had the street tyre on there, because if it had a off-road tyre, you might have had that drop-off that you used to have on the
it was like neither here nor there, would it?
That's
be?
right.
Like, whereas that was like corner and, do you know what, I even took a left turn on it.
You did?
I did.
Did you stay on?
I did. Oh, man.
But yeah, the tyre, I used to only ride off-roads as well, but...
Take the sofa. The chaise longue.
I'm just going to leave on the fence because I can't get my feet inside. I'm just going to let the fence go.
No worries.
Thank you. Yeah, it's not a bad shell actually. It's like it's new again, Jez. When you riders.
Oh, and the suspension on this is good as well.
Oh,
Because this is heavier.
it's lovely,
It feels
isn't it?
different, but it's still good.
It's a beautiful wheel. Oh my god. The suspension on this. Mate. No, this isn't fair. I can't afford 2 wheels. I'm gonna be pleased with you planning fucking Okay, so the other one was LynxS.
Yep.
So you've already got a Lynx. What do you think is the differentiator between the two?
It's the suspension.
Yeah?
the suspension.
That good?
Yeah. Oh, if I can buy the suspension
Yep.
and put them on my Lynx, I'm buying the suspension.
Right.
You with me?
Cheaper deal.
Yeah, it's a cheaper
Yeah.
deal. I mean, it saves getting rid of a Lynx to upgrade to this because I think the specs are too close for you to want to upgrade.
Yeah.
But the suspension is a game changer. It's really nice. It's very plush.
I must admit, 'cause I've come from the NOSFET Apex. I've ridden obviously the Sherman. I briefly rid Mark's normal Lynx.
Yep.
And that was lovely. That was next level suspension.
Yes,
And
yes.
the other thing I found is that I love my Apex. My Apex feels, and I was saying to this other chap, it feels mechanical. It's solid, but it feels like something's turning, if you know what I mean. Like there's something that needs to get going. The Lynx was like pure refinement. It was beefy, a solid, balanced, And when you want to accelerate, it was so smooth.
Yeah. I mean, off the ground, from low speed accelerating,
Oh,
it's very responsive.
Butter.
I can't tell you if it's more responsive than my Lynx because I didn't push it.
Yeah. But then you've got the experience of the Lynx already, though, haven't you?
Yeah,
So
I have. But that felt really responsive, and with the suspension as well,
it was
felt like a new
gorgeous.
wheel.
And that for me, like, I mean, with the only thing I compare it to is the Apex. The Apex has got power when you need it.
Yes.
The Lynx has more power in my head. It feels more quicker.
Yeah.
But it also feels more smoother to accelerate. So when you want to lean, it's not like the Apex is like have it, you know. Whereas that, it's like, you know, a woman in a high stilettos and just wants to like smooth your way into that acceleration.
Well, I must admit, when you see the wheel though, because the wheel has been refined a little bit from the Lynx as well.
Yeah.
There's the new wheel factor where it looks more shiny.
And let's face it,
you know,
I don't need it. I want both.
Well, at the very least, I'm going to have the P6 and the suspension from the Lynx because it was nice. It was just nice. I'm sold.
Good shout. Leave way ground. You can feel the difference in power though, man. Like the aero I absolutely love. Yeah, the trouble is though, I mean, like, I get the reason why they got bigger dudes, like, people want that little bit more. Me, I thought the aero to replace with M4 was perfect. You know, it's done exactly what I wanted to do. I still maintain it's the best review wheel on the market. And it's like the design. If they made this, Lynx design, I'd still buy it. So just ridden the NOSFET Aeon, and I must say, if you don't have an aero, Aeon is definitely the way to go. If you've got an aero, there's not really much point in upgrading, but really good. It's good news, it feels like an aero. Bad news, it feels like an aero, right? So if you've got an aero, there's no point, but if you haven't got one and you want it, this is definitely the way to go, and it's got the same awesome design. So, final thoughts on the P6 and the Lynx S. Both wheels absolutely phenomenal. I wasn't expecting to like the P6. I was expecting to like the Lynx. I like them both for different reasons. Would I swap my Apex for the LynxS? Yes. For me, I didn't think that was possible because I absolutely adore my Apex. It's so refined. It's like a said this to Jez, it's the Apex is like just so aggressive and kind of mechanical. The Lynx is like a refined, beautiful, smooth acceleration, solid wheel. It is gorgeous. So there's a possibility I might look at that. The P6, I don't need. Here's the thing, I don't need it. I really want it. It's a silly wheel, it's a fast wheel, it's ginormous. Literally, you could lay a bed on that thing. It's long. But that, as soon as you get moving, again, refined, beautiful wheel, well built, solid. You can tell it's got the acceleration. The unfortunate thing is that we only had 18% battery, so you couldn't really kind of get a full acceleration on it. However, you know that power's there and the quality looks to be there. So would I like one? Yes. Can I afford both? Hell no. Yeah, there might be some new wheels on the horizon. So hope you enjoy this episode. keep watching, keep subscribing. See you soon, guys.